Welcome back. As the CBI continues to expand its probe, Republic has also accessed what it could do next. Now, Republic is learning that CBI is not ruling out the homicide angle just yet in Sushant's case. A high-level meeting of the CBI top brass will take place in the national capital, where the senior agency officials will be briefed. Meanwhile, the investigative agency will focus on Sushant's viscera report. AIIMS doctors will meet on Sunday to give their final opinion and conclusion on the autopsy and viscera examination. My colleague Shravan Sen is also joining us on the phone line. Shravan, how much more time before the CBI is able to formulate what they believe is the truth as far as this case is concerned? All eyes on them. They're waiting for the medical opinion. But till then, what more are you learning of what they have gathered so far?
Well, Shivani, since 22nd of August, that's when the teams had actually arrived in Mumbai, and there were multiple teams that were basically working on this particular case. What we can actually tell our viewers is that at least one of the teams are essentially batting for this entire case as a homicide case, given the fact that there have been certain evidences that they have gathered. So much so, to put this into context, Siddharth Pitani, the man who's basically been questioned by the Central Bureau of Investigation for over a dozen times, the needle of suspicion has been towards him. And secondly, as far as the medical report is concerned, that becomes extremely crucial because there is a slight difference here, Shivani, because the viscera examination that is essentially taking place, it is not the examination of the already prepared report by the Maharashtra Forensic Laboratory. It is a fresh report that is being looked into.
Yes.
At the CFSL of the Central Bureau of Investigation. So the findings of that viscera report will become very key to this entire investigation. We have been told that perhaps in the days to come, you would expect the viscera report to be handed over. And secondly, a further examination of the autopsy report, which is being done by the AIIMS panel here. There has been also another development in this particular case, Shivani, that is with regards to how the Central Bureau of Investigation is looking at what the doctors from Cooper had to say, as well as the forensic experts. Their entire testimony has also now been scrutinized by the Central Bureau of Investigation. So perhaps in the next couple of days, there would be certain clarity that would come in as far as the finality in this case is concerned. But what we can tell our viewers right now is that certainly homicide has not been ruled out.
This is, of course, a very complex investigation. But Shravan, since I do have you with me, you know, a lot of questions are also being raised on the links between Disha and Sushant case. What more are you learning on that? Is the agency going to move forward on it in a, in a very defined manner? Are they just looking around and seeing what they can find, what is already out in public domain? For example, what Republic TV has put out, what Nitesh Rane has said. What more on that?
Well, work is in progress, if I may say so, as far as Disha Salian's case is concerned. Just last week, what we saw is the Central Bureau of Investigation, at least one team, in a dedicated manner, they had started recording the statements of all those who have been linked to Disha Salian's case. Be it the friends who attended the party on 8th of June, to the neighbors as well as other people who were eyewitnesses in this particular case. Their statements have already been recorded. Now, as far as whether they want to link it to Sushant's case, remember, there is already a link that is there. And that is the reason why, despite Disha Salian's case not being looked into in an independent manner, they are already linking it to the Sushant Singh Rajput case, looking at the impact that it had on Disha's death and whether at all Sushant in the first place had an inkling about what really happened to Disha Salian to begin with. And so that Pitani's statement is a dead giveaway of the impact that it had on Sushant's mind as far as Disha Salian's death is concerned.
Okay. Shravan, appreciate joining us. Thanks a lot. We'll keep coming back to you for more.